Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file an annual report for an LLC in Texas. While many states require a specific annual report, Texas LLCs instead file a public information report. This report is crucial for maintaining your business's good standing with the state. It's typically filed alongside your annual franchise tax return, and the deadline for submission is consistently May 15th every year. Understanding this process is key to smooth operations. It's important to remember that every Texas LLC, regardless of its size or activity, must file the public information report each year. While many businesses will also file a franchise tax return, those with annualized total revenue below $2.47 million are generally exempt from paying the actual franchise tax. However, the public information report itself is still mandatory. This report collects vital information, including your registered agent's details and your principal business address. The most efficient way to file your public information report is online through the Texas Comptroller's web file system. Before you begin, gather all necessary information, including current details for your officers, directors, and your registered agent. Accuracy is paramount to avoid issues. Remember, the firm deadline is May 15th. If this date falls on a Saturday, Sunday, or a federal holiday, the due date automatically shifts to the next business day. Failing to file your public information report on time can result in a $1.50 penalty. If you also owe franchise tax, late payments can incur additional penalties, starting at 5% of the tax due if paid within 30 days, and increasing to 10% thereafter. Consistent noncompliance can even lead to your LLC losing its good standing or administrative dissolution. Stay organized and file promptly to avoid these issues. And speaking of smart solutions, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.